Hello and welcome back to AutoCAD Electrical Pro. Today we're discussing one of the most important concepts in AutoCAD Electrical, parent and child components. In very simple terms, parent hold the main information and children inherit it automatically. Once you understand this relationship, everything from contacts to coils to cross-referencing will make sense. This coil here relates to this contact here, which is a child contact related to this coil. As you can see, they have exactly the same tag. It has the same tag K3. What is a parent component? A parent component is the main device symbol. It carries the important data, the component tag, description, catalog number, installation and location codes, ratings and manufacturer info. Every child symbol links back to this parent. So now I'm going to schematic tab. In the insert components area, I click on icon menu and I will add a relay coil. I'm gonna add K49 just to make sure that it doesn't clash with anything else in this project. I'm going to add a tag, description, manufacturer, and catalog tag K49, description 1, manufacturer, catalog. And this is enough information to show how the relation with a child component works. Now, what is a child component? Child component is usually an auxiliary contact or additional pole that belongs to the parent. It inherits the parent's tag automatically, and AutoCAD Electrical keeps them linked. I go back to the icon menu, I insert a contact. Now I can click on the parent sibling button. And if I want to select the parent component, I will click on the coil that I've just inserted. And you can see K49. But if the nearest was a sibling, and I mean by that another contact that have a parent-child relation with the coil that we want to link our contact with, we can also click on the sibling contact and it will copy the information from that sibling contact, and it will be then linked to the parent component as well. If you right-click Edit Component on the new added contact, you will see that is in fact linked, and you can see some of the information that was initially added to the parent component. You can easily reassign the contact to a different parent coil. So I want to change this one from being K49 to being related with coil K4. That can be easily done. If you right click on the component and do copy component, then you can add a child or sibling. As I keep mentioning in my videos, use the intelligence that AutoCAD Electrical provides, because then this will help you lots when you are running reports, when you're retagging. If you're retagging, you can change not only the tag of the coil, but of the child contacts instantly. So let me do an example of retagging, because this is very important. It will show you exactly why this is so important. If I rename this K4 to K40, it's going to ask me, it sees that this component has a child component in the same drawing. So it asks me, do I want to update? I say yes. And then it says it has other drawings where this information is relevant. Do I want to update now? I say okay. I say okay to the save. And you can actually see it. It is very quickly, but you can see it. It goes through other drawings. It changes the tag of the contacts in other drawings, and it changes the layout. It is good practice to insert the parent before the child. And if for any reason you move things around in the drawing, make sure to retag. so that the components can update their cross-references. Thanks for watching my quick video on parent-child relationships in AutoCAD Electrical. I hope you found real value in it, and I'll see you next time.